Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders, your Power BI channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use related DAX function in Power BI with few use cases and with a very simple example. So let's go to the tutorial and see how we can use related DAX function in Power BI.
Press subscribe and click the bell icon, so you will never miss any Power BI updates from Geek Decoders.
My datasheet contains salesperson, item, sales value, sales date, feedback and sales country columns. And this sheet that you can download, the link is mentioned in the description section. And today's tutorial I'm mainly using this sales country column. Right, the first section of today's tutorial is first go to model, right, and here you can go and enter data. Right here you add a table, we say in column as country, so we can add India, few countries, Norway, USA, and then here I add another column called currency rate. So here I'll give some dummy values. India I would say 2, Norway I would say 3, US I would say 4. Right, so this is the temporary table which I have created here. Now I will load it. So now here my table is created. So now in between these two tables I have to create a relation. For that I go and right click here and then create manage relations. So here create new relation, then I'll select the table sheet 1 sales country column and table country column. So these are the two columns, then many to one relationship, and cross filter direction is single, and I will say OK. Right, so then I will close it. Right, as you can see now one to many relationship is happened between these two tables for these two columns. Now the first use case I will use how to use related DAX function. For that I will create a new column. Right, simply I can say here currency rate. So currency rate I would say related. So here we'll see what will happen if you use related. Returns a related value from another table. So once we have created a relationship, now we can, by using the related table, we can get the columns value from other tables. So that is the use of this related DAX function. So here we use related and we can use sales currency and click enter. So as you can see now in the currency rate column, for the values that are there in the table, which by using the related value we takes those values, we took those values and we have added into our main table by using related function. So that is the one use of it. So mainly that we can use this related function, let's say total value. So we use the same column, right? So we can use sheet 1 dot sales value and we can multiply it with the related currency rate of the country. So that related keyword or the DAX function we use to take the value from the related table. So as you can see now the total value comes by multiplying with the respective country's currency rate multiplied by the sales value. So this is the main use of this related DAX function, and thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos.